guys, it's Stephanie Pumpkin, and today we're going to open up a Rose Gold Edition mini dumpling by RMS. It's from Whatnot. So let's go. Comment down below if you own any dumpling or squishies. You collect them. So let's see what we get. This is good. Hopefully we get the rose gold. Okay, got it. Comment down below your favorite dumpling series. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, weird. You got orange. Ooh, it's like smells like a beach ball factory. So this is what it looks like. Comment down below if you own any mini dumplings. So the RMS ones don't have faces, but the fake ones do. Yeah, it smells like a beach ball factory. So, yeah, didn't get the rose gold one, but try next time. So that's what it looks like. Smells like a beach ball factory, what it came from. So it says RMS. So, alright guys, don't forget thumbs up, no thumbs down. Hit that subscribe button, and I'm out. Peace.